everyone, welcome to Seeing Through Glass and welcome to the Modball Rally Track Day. Every year on the European Rally, a day is set aside to take the cars on track because as awesome as it is doing huge convoys on the motorway, it can be a little bit tiresome at times, and especially in supercars you want to be able to push them. So that's why we've come here, and as you can see and hear, oh no, he's not a modballer. I was going to say modballers are on track, but that's a KTM crossbow. That's a 570S that is on the Modball Rally. Some guys are already out on track having some fun. Today is all about that, just fun. There's also photography, videography and looniness that takes place, and I'm going to try and capture it all. Don't get me wrong, I'm a big fan of donuts, but I feel like these guys have forgotten there's 2 more days of the rally still left. So those rear tyres are taking a beating and the track day hasn't even really started yet. So good luck to them, but thanks for putting on a show.
So welcome to the racetrack. We came here like 3 years ago and had a really good time. We had a snowmobile race a Ferrari and beat it, and it was an amazing day. So if anyone's got any crazy ideas, just let us know.
We have now taken over the Modball Jeep and transformed it into a camera car. Camera technicians are loaded up. Okay. No, yeah, they're not, they're Modball girls. But Alex is in the back, about to hang out like a lunatic with a camera that's a lot more expensive than mine, so he's crazy. And girls, you're gonna hang on to him, right? For dear life?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a good deal.
Perfect. So this is the parade lap. So before anyone does anything too stupid and bins their car, we all go out on track all together and do loads of photos, and everyone waves and smiles, and it's just a jolly good time. So it's our job to try and capture it all beautifully for Seen Through Glass and for Modball's own content. So yes, onto the track. Everyone excited? Who's been on a track before?
Not me. No. None of us. First timers.
And you're doing it in a Jeep. Oh yeah. What happened? I mean, I'm going to be honest, I actually predicted this in the video, but I don't want to... So this... Oh.
He's done his one as well. Yeah, basically.
You've done 2?
He's done his.
Oh, he's done his.
So I've got to give him my space saver.
What is with you Mercedes people? What is with you Mercedes people?
Just the power, innit?
But you have a space saver?
Yeah, for him.
Not for you?
That's why I'm going to drive this to Venice.
You're going to drive that to Venice?
We just went to a tyre shop there, nothing.
Wow.
So we drive this to Venice.
Be safe, boys. Be safe. Oh no, everyone's day's over. Everyone's day's over. The LT's going out. Anyone who thought they were doing a decent lap time, goodbye. That is going to be freaking mega. We've got an M4 going out as well, competition wheels. He's going to have some fun. I'm about to jump into John from Modball's Hurricane Spider. I love John to bits. I don't think I've ever been in a car with him in anger, so pooping myself a bit, but anyway, should be good. I definitely need this. Please don't hurt me. How was it? How's it been?
It's slippy.
It's slippy.
know my favourite part about the whole lap? The fact there was confetti flying everywhere.
My God, is it hot today? I mean, it's literally, I think it must be over 30 degrees, baking sun on a racetrack. Feeling the pain. Awesome so far. Great to jump in the car with John. He does like to drive aggressively, and it does come across being absolutely freaking awesome in the passenger seat. But anyway, I'm headed to the cafe, took myself up a drink and a bit of a snack, so I need refueling.
Puoi andare a dare un'occhiata di là, vai.
This could be a very stupid decision. I've come to the side of the track because the Haltador, the purple Aventador S with the insane Capristo exhaust system, is out on track. So yeah, I'm at the start-finish line to sort of hit. That's it on the other side of the track. It's about to drive past me 2 meters from my ears. This could be a mistake. Yeah, that was a mistake. Can't hear a thing. Can't hear a freaking thing. You now, I'm going to bring this a bit closer because I don't know if you can hear me. You now join me inside one of the most beautiful FFs ever in existence with the legend that is John, the man behind the wheel. This car is absolutely stunning. It's the triple-layered red. We think Rosso Fuoco, but we actually don't know. Tan leather, carbon fibre everywhere. And maybe not the Ferrari you expect to see on the track, the one that John is claiming is a ton of fun. So yeah, here we go. Who said FF for four-wheel drive? Oh, the speed as well, my God. Oh, well saved, son! Well saved! Well saved, son! Fuck no. Warm down. Yeah.
As many as we can in here.
Right, the track day is officially over, and to celebrate, we're going to take the Jeep for a proper lap. We did the parade lap, but it was all a bit boring because we were being the camera car. Now we're going to be the party car. Round of applause for everyone. No one died. Right, track madness now over. It is time to head to our destination for the evening, which is Venice. Yes, a supercar rally with over 100 supercars going to a city with no roads. This is going to be interesting.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
Venice is freaking wicked. I meant to say, Rob and the R8 have now left the Modball, hence why I was jumping into the Modball girls' Jeep to get here. But anyway, what a freaking awesome location. We are staying in the Hilton Hotel and it is mega. But anyway, it's coming out to 8 o'clock and that means it's time for England to play their World Cup match. So I need to shower, get all of this rank sweat and grime off me, then go downstairs and watch the football. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you have and make sure you subscribe for plenty more videos to come.